He's got grease on his hands, a rust in his soul, a Chilton's manual and a heart full of gold. That 70 Chevelle never made it too far, but he's been chasing dreams in that broke down car. Jack stands sink in the backyard dirt, old oaks the shade when the summer sun hurts. He's not on YouTube, he don't live stream, just a busted knuckle and an old man's dream. Under the oak, where the wrenches fly, cussing at bolts and reaching for the sky. A man in his car just trying to keep it alive, but that kind of living is harder to drive. EPA rules, parts gone away, neighbors complain about noise every day, but he still believes in carburetor art, turning time and tools into rolling heart. Transmission's out on an old milk crate. He swears one day it'll run like fate. Kids walk by and they laugh and tease, why not just buy one that runs with keys? But they don't get what that car means. It's his youth, his grit, his in-between. Every gasket and bolt holds a little bit more story of life from the garage floor. Under the oak, where the sun fades slow, he's chasing horsepower in a world that says no. Walmart tools and a Harbor Freight lift, just trying to give that Chevelle a gift. With each turn of the wrench, he rewinds the years. In the sound of the ratchet, you can almost hear tears, but they're proud tears, tough and true, built from the ground like old men do. Now the town says he's gotta clean up his life, but that tree's seen more than their money ever bought. There's wisdom in sockets and stories and stains, and dignity left in those oil-soaked chains. Under the oak, where legends are born, and busted up boots and shirts that are torn, he'll wrench till the sky turns a smoky dusk hue, 'cause dreamers don't quit, no, they power through. Even if the rules say the past don't belong, he'll hum with that V8 like a freedom song. So here's to the Shadetree, to the grease and grime, to the men who still live a few decades behind. Under the oak, where the real ones roam, turning rust into soul and bolts in